Today we're going to talk a little bit about when it's okay to just fill a small dent and when you should actually spend time pulling it. Basically, if you can see some high areas or crowned areas or distortion in the metal, it's time to pull it, because you're going to pull from here and tap down on these high areas or distorted areas. In this case, we're going to pull it because you can clearly see there's some high areas here and a little bit of distortion here. We'll be using a pogo stick, and we'll be using this very sturdy surface right here to pry against. And while we're prying against this sturdy surface, we'll be knocking down those high areas. Now, I can only reach it with a pick hammer. Otherwise, I'd be using the flat. Well, maybe I can reach it. And we're pulling on the low, knocking down that high or crowned area. And I can sort of feel it with the face of the hammer. And we'll move it. After pulling on the lows and tapping down the distorted or pushed up areas, you can see it looks a lot better. We're going to grind this area clean and fill it. After a few coats of primer, this panel is ready to be block sanded, primed again, finish sanded, and painted. I hope you enjoyed this brief video on when you can just fill a small dent versus when you should actually pull it. If you did, and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.